pretty interesting. Okay, goes there. This rusty knife. I got a full of paper. It's probably all wet because it was raining on my box. Yeah, let's sit overnight so that we can dry out. Oh, let's see. Oh, wow. You get there. Styrene packing. Oh, a case on a case. Oh, no. Put this on the ground. I guess you pull it out. Get this box out of there. Okay. That's a covering for the case, I guess. Yeah, right there. This is a little bit fatter than my other one. My original Fender case is, this is fatter than it because it's not a custom fit. It's made for all sorts of bass guitars. No, it's not bad. It's kind of cornball looks like an accordion too. Wow, nice case for the money. This one's sick. Wow, that looks nice. Oh, my eyes go crazy there. Oh, zebra spread patterns. What's that doing to the camera? I don't even know how to do that. It's upside down. No, I'm going to turn it around. Oh God, that stripes are making me go crazy. It's like 70s. Oh. I think I'm getting dizzy just looking at this thing. Okay, we're going to open it up then. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. That got that look. It looks like a Fender custom case, which it's not. This will work for any bass guitar. So I figured it was on sale. So I got it for the one I just got. Look at that.
What kind of case is the one you got there?
This is a Fender, custom Fender. That's actually our original case too.
Let's see if it fits.
This one has no knobs. I gotta rebuild it. Ooh, that's a nice neck. Wow. Oh, okay. Yeah, the P bass has got a good neck. It's probably higher up, so it rests in there.
It actually works. Did you have to rebuild that one too?
Yeah, I had to rebuild that one. They sold to me for $40 in '73.
What's that interior look like? It's the same.
This one's pretty cool. This is different colors. The snaps from the '70s look.
Oh, it's orange. How classy.
Hey, this was out there in the rain too yesterday, and I let it sit for overnight to try it out. Okay, this is where the water's a little bit. Rain just a little bit. I think the body's this way. That's where the water was. You see it's a little bit flaky. Make sure I don't cut it. Okay. Oh, it's in a box. It says Fender. Oh, wow. Alright, maybe it's just the outside box got wet. It's a little damp. Oh, wow. Get that Fender box out of there. Take this one out. Back here. Okay. Okay. Might have to keep those. I think there's another one there. Oh, you bastards. I just can't get to it. Look at that. Allen wrenches and Fender and saying sucker. That's where the rod. Oh my god. This is the head. I thought it was totally opposite. That is a good box. Okay, get this off the headstock. Holy crap. He's done. Yeah, that's interstate. Oh, it's on detuning my string. Oh, that's on the pig. Okay, that's what's holding it. All right, well, somebody actually had a bit. Oh, God. Okay, let me get this out of here. Flip it over on this box now. What's up? All right. Oh, wow. Let's see what this looks like. Let me take this sheet off. Oh, it's got a neck like the other one. Feels a little bit sharper than the other one. Oh, yeah, it's sticking there. Oh my gosh. They determined, aren't they? Well, it's sticking to the body. Oh yeah. Different shape. Kind of different. Feels different.
It's got knobs.
It's got knives. I know I gotta rebuild the other one. That's kind of sure. Well, all people, Jesus Christ, all people have signed it. These are round wounds, so it's gonna be really high pitch. So that means I'm gonna get steel flat wounds for stainless steel for that Fender vintage one. Look at this, how they put these on. That's what I needed on mine. Let me flip it over. I'm gonna see if there's any damage. Wow. Yeah, see this here? See that? See that finish? That's a satin finish for fast fretting. It's made not to stick. My other Fender, Precision, it sticks because it's gloss. Was made in the 70s though. Oh, look at that port. Should say made in USA. What a rip.
I can't see the difference.
Yeah. The shape's different. This is angled this way, and this is going straight that way. It's a different body. And these frets are pretty damn good. These are jumbos. They've been used for like 40 years. And these look like mediums. They're still pretty good. They look pretty hard.
And it has knobs.
You know, well, I gotta take these Seymour Duncans off and put the originals back. I gotta put all the original stuff back. See, you don't have that up here. You don't got that option. You have to go this way. Wow. Yeah, see this here? See that? See that finish? That's a satin finish for fast. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's got nice thinner neck. It's a jazz neck with it's got that matte finish to it. It makes it fast. It feels just like the vintage Fender bass. Pretty good. It's pretty good. has better harmonics. Bass file have a better harmonics than the